Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin's current low volatility could lead to a very surprising end of the year. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including how the current low volatility could surprise everyone. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove, push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 55, down from yesterday's 58, but for the past month, hovering between 50 and 60. The overall market sideways today, Bitcoin at 3260, Ethereum at 1866, BNB at 234, XRP 46 cents, Cardano 28 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, Solana 21.70, and Tron 7 cents. And if you wanted to ask AI any questions about cryptocurrency, you can do that now with Tokenmetrics AI chatbot. For example, what's the best coin to buy today? According to Tokenmetrics Analytics, the best coin to buy today is Galatasaray fan token. Here's the details. Trader grade, NA. Trader grade percent change, NA. Price change, 4.158. Now, who knows if that's a great coin? But you can ask other questions like what's the best 100x coin today? What coins are the best discount today? All types of fun stuff like that. There's a free trial down in the description. Now, Bitcoin today still hovering above $30,000, the big even right down here. And if we take a look right now, the Bitcoin amount of supply last active 2 to 3 years ago just reached an all-time high. Now, if we take a look at this chart, when we had these similar peaks, look at where it was in terms of Bitcoin, pretty much right before massive price run-ups for Bitcoin. So we could be in for something quite historic. As a matter of fact, when we take a look at the first green MACD histograms on the monthly charts, previously this brought Bitcoin a 6x bull run in 2020. If Bitcoin does the same thing, could reach $200,000 within the year. Also, if we take a look here, repeating the same pattern each cycle, pretty much a same slow upward trajectory before the halving. If we take a look, we are in that same pattern right now. And one more pattern suggesting the bottom is in and we could be on the verge of a massive parabola. If we take a look at the Fischer Transformer down here on the bottom, when we have a cross and also when it's above this zero line and takes a dip and turns back upwards, which we just saw right here, well, if we transpose this right over here, it looks very similar to what we saw in that run-up before the massive parabola in 2020, 2021. Which brings us to this, very interesting when we take a look at Bollinger Band with low volatility. When Bitcoin volatility gets low in a bear market, it's very bearish. But are we in a bear market? No. When volatility gets low in a bull market, it's insanely bullish. The weekly Bollinger Band proves it. Entering the low volatility zone brings big moves. So when we touch into this green low volatility zone, each time in bull markets, it has preceded massive parabolas, 220%, 1986%, 112%, 95%, 3000%, 512%, 90%. All of these bull markets, low volatility, suggests big moves to the upside. As a matter of fact, whenever you see these types of patterns, it's time to form a position. What are these patterns? When there is sideways movement, accumulation patterns, price goes sideways right before parabolas. We are on the cusp. When it happens, it's going to be too late. The end of year could be very, very surprising, especially if Bitcoin repeats previous patterns like we have seen when the majority is expecting Bitcoin to range the next couple of years. Possibly end of year 2023 and 2024-25 could be very, very exciting, possibly close to 100,000 at the end of this year, maybe even 200 by next year. And the best news is it's not only Bitcoin, because altcoins are looking exceptional right now. This is a crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin, seeing a familiar bullish signature on altcoin indicator total 2. Similar pattern began alt seasons in the previous cycles. Basically, when we have this wedge forming and a breakout from the wedge, look at what happens to the total market cap. Again, tightening wedge, breakout from there. Look at this, nice tightening wedge. Once we have a breakout, oh, it's going to be too late at that time. And that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.